87th, then what is this?
Can I have your driver's license, please?
I'm on 87th and Cicero.
Can I have your driver's license, please?
My motherfucking cop over here.
Okay, can I have your driver's license, please?
Here, what station you in? Don't stop, don't open my motherfucking...
In the field, decisions are fast, and the stakes are real. Does your training truly prepare you for real law enforcement? Now it can, with Blue Line Interactive. Train using hundreds of real-life police interactions. Build sharper decision-making skills, all without a classroom or an instructor. Here's how it works. Officers log into the platform, anytime, anywhere. They choose an assignment or a topic and begin training. Officers are then presented with real body cam footage and interactive scenarios that challenge their law enforcement skills. With instant feedback and performance tracking, supervisors see exactly where each officer excels or where improvement is needed. The result? Competent officers making fewer mistakes and avoiding costly lawsuits. Blue Line Interactive. Real footage, real decisions, real training.